Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix all basic errors in the Capcut app in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off. Then open the Capcut app again. Step 2. Restart the Capcut app. Now close the app completely from recent apps. Wait a few seconds, then open it again. This often fixes a small glitch. Step 3. Restart your phone. Now turn your phone off. Wait about 30 seconds and turn it back on. Then try opening Capcut again. Step 5. Update the Capcut app. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Capcut and tap update if available. Update fix, box and improve performance. Step 5. Reinstall the Capcut app. If the problem continues, uninstall Capcut, restart your phone and install it again from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then log back into your account if needed. And that's how you can fix all basic error in the Capcut app. Also follow those simple steps and your Capcut app should work smoothly again. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.